tongxuemen, today we will learn vocabulary from lesson 4 and this is part B. 来，我们就开始吧。Let's get started. Number 1, 有 that means to have. Look at example number 1. 我有一个弟弟。我有一个弟弟。Here, 我有 means I have. 一 means one. 弟弟 here means little brother. And here, 个 it is a major word for this noun. So we will learn some major words at the last. 我有一个弟弟. That means I have one little brother. Look at example number 2. 我有一本书。我有一本书。我有 means I have. 一 means one. 书 here means book. Now here 本. It is also a major word which is used for books and magazines. We cannot say 一个书. So for books and magazine we have to use 一本书. Understood? So there are so many major words we will learn later. Number 2, 没有 So this is opposite word for 有. Look at example number 1. 我没有弟弟。我没有弟弟。我 means I. 没有 means don't have. 弟弟 here means little brother. So that means I don't have little brother. 我没有弟弟。If you don't have elder brother, you can say 我没有哥哥。If you don't have big sister, you can say 我没有姐姐。And you can either say 我没有妹妹。Look at example number 2. 我没有一本书。我没有一本书。我没有 means I don't have. 一 means one. 书 here means book. 本 here it is a major word which is used for books and magazines. 我没有一本书. That means I don't have one book. Number 3, 几 So this Chinese character 几 has multiple meanings depending upon the context. So right now it is used as a question, how many, and generally it means how many, and it is used to ask about small number usually less than 10 and uncertain number. So look at example number 1. 几本书。几本书. That means how many books. Look at example number 2. 几岁。几岁. Here 几 means how many. So usually it is less than 10. Here 几 means how many. 岁 here means years old. So that means how old. So that actually means how old. 几岁. Another word 和 So it is a conjunction and that means and. Look at example number 1. 我有猫和狗。我有猫和狗。我有 means I have. 猫 means cat. 狗 here means dog. And here 和 that means and. Look at example number 2. 老师和学生。 老师和学生. That means 老师 means teacher, 学生 means student, 和 here means and. Now we will learn some major words. Number 1, 个. So it is a common major word which can be used with most of the noun. So look at example number 1. 一个苹果. So 一 means one, 苹果 here means apple, and here 个 it is a major word which is used for this noun which is 苹果. Look at example number 2. 三个朋友. 三here means 3. 朋友 here means friend, and here 个 it is a major word which is used for this noun 朋友, that is friend. Look at example number 3. 四个学生. Here 四 means 4. 学生 means student, and we have to use major word which is 个 for this noun which is 学生. 四个学生. Look at example number 4. 五个老师. Here 五 means 5. 老师 means teacher, and here 个 which is used as a major word for this noun 老师. We cannot say 一苹果, 三朋友, 四学生, 五老师. So for that we have to use major word in between them. So structure is numbers plus ka and plus noun. Number 2, 口. So it has several meanings, and right now here it is used for counting family members. Look at example number 1. 我家有三口人. So that means there are 3 people in my family. If you have 4 members, then you can say 我家有四口人. If you have 5 members, then you can say 我家有五口人. Number 3, 只. So it is a major word for most of the animals and birds. So look at example number 1. 一只猫. That means 猫 here means cat. 一 means 1, and 只 here it is a major word which is used for this animal 猫. That means 1 cat. 一只猫. Look at example number 2. 一只狗. Here 一 means 1, 狗 here means dog, and 只 here it is a major word for this animal 狗. Number 3. 三只鸟. Here 三 means 3, 鸟 means birds, and here 只 it is a major word for this for birds. 只 here it is a major word for birds, so that means 3 birds. In Chinese language there are so many major words. We will learn slowly and gradually. That's all for today's lesson. 谢谢同学们